If you want to know how we achieve this turban net head wrap and the shoulder rolls with explanation, let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha sha sha.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Take Beauty. Yes, so learning time my people. Please focus your eye on my hand. Yes, this turban, you see what I hold in my hand? That thing is just one rose I create with satin. Then this cap, I normally use this cap. Everybody know this cap. Every women have it if you want to sleep to cover your hair. So I just use this one to press that rose down. Okay, so if you don't have that rose, you can put any cloth underneath. Just put anything underneath before you start creating your turban net. Okay guys, I will try my best to be fast in this video with the explanation. So this net turban tutorial, so the length, the yard, just buy 10 yards. Once you buy 10 yards of this net, you can get it in any material shop net. So just divide it like five yard. The 5 yard will be for the head, then the other 5 yard will be for the shoulder. Okay, once you divide it, the 5 yard, then you now divide that 5 yard equal 50-50. Now you start taking them from back, just like zigzag, the way, just focus your eye the way I do it. I cross it, I cover one part of the ear, I open one part of the ear, then you tell your model to hold it for you. We are going to do this one until the turban gets to the top. Try and place it on top, and once you place it, you try to use the other hand to make sure you just spread it, your net. If you don't spread it, to cover the back side, it's going to be difficult for you later. So this style is very easy. It's very easy. Yes, so please, before I move forward, I want every one of you to help me to thank my model of the day. Her name is Valentina. Oh, in fact, help me to thank her. This girl, she's very decent. She's very quiet. She's on holiday. You know, UK, this week, we have 1 week holiday. I just call her, please come and model for me. She said, okay, auntie, don't worry, I will come. And she is here. And we managed to do 4 style. This is the first one. On your notification bell, all the 4 style I create that day, in fact, was so unique. Help me to thank her on this comment section. And she is doing all this one for me for free, guys. Help me to thank her. She used her time. We spent almost 6 hours to do the makeup and the 4 style. A big thank you to Valentina. Okay, once you observe that the head wrap is finished at the back side, so use pin to just pin it down. Then this part is very important. Use your finger to take it careful. Don't just drag it. Just see the way I'm bringing it out careful, so that for you to have material to cover the back side. And then you use pin to pin it. Is very easy, guys. It's very easy. All this head wrap is just a matter of creativity, and we all also use our wisdom. Me, I am still learning as well. I go to Instagram, go to YouTube to learn, so that with that I can achieve 1 or 2 things. Okay, because this head wrap, you can, every age group can use it. This net turban, if you want to change, maybe you don't want to use ashoke or all this seiko, you can use this head wrap for any outfit as well, for all age group. Yes, then make sure you just use your hand to press, so that the turban shape will be nice. Okay, guys, now we are going to create the shoulder rows. So just see the way I'm folding it. What I hold there in my hand is 5 yard as well. So then just try and knot it. Divide it 50-50 as well. Then you will use one part to create the rose, then you will use the other side to wrap her round, so that you see the way I use one side to create the rose now, then you knot it, then the other side, which is the longer, because the other 50, you use the other 50 to wrap her and use net. So all this style, you see the way I'm just bringing out the rose and creating the flower. So just use small pin. Any pin we are using there is that office pin, that small one. Don't use the big one. Okay, just try and create small rose. And now we are going to use the other part to wrap her, so that once you take that photo, everything will look so unique and complete. When you enter Instagram, you will see that of many modern, because all these our beautiful modern, they are not like all these our mommy that have all these traditional outfits on their wardrobe. They are English wear people. So if you dye then any gele with this net, then everything can go with this color of the net, everything can go like complete. Yes, just use the other one to wrap her around. So the reason I don't want to show the back side, many people always say show us the back side, because like the gown she is wearing, the back side open and her bra is showing. I don't want to show the back side because of this gown. The front is covered, the back side is open. I don't want to show her bra. So it's just easy, guys. Just use that, or use the other one to wrap her, and you look for somewhere to tuck in it at the back. Your rose, the rose shoulder, just make sure you check it. Make sure the rose is like, it appear like flower rose. Yes, that is it, guys. I hope you have learned one or two things on this video. Yes, in case you are wondering where I base here in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your events. I do all wrap, all head wrap, any head wrap gele. In fact, show me the video, send me the picture, I will give it to you. We do photo shoots, we do makeup, we do traditional hair. We are all in one beauty. Yes, so this was the before we start. Yes, so then this one is after. Guys, once again, help me to say thank you to her for her model, for the model she do for me that day. In fact, I'm super excited. I have many style on my mind. You know, I have boys in this my house. I'm still looking for model. In case you are there, you want to come and do model for me, you are welcome. Okay, thank you, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Let me put my music. My number is there in case you want to contact me. Leave your comment down below and say thank you to Valentina. Bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking